Yummy vanilla cupcakes. Yes, that's what we are making today, friends. These ingredients are easily available at our homes at any time, so you may start making them just after the video. Here, into the gluten-free or plain maida, if you take, you can add both the raising agents, the baking powder and the baking soda, and keep the dry ingredients aside. Mix the raising agents thoroughly with the maida. Into another large bowl, take softened butter 150 gram and beat it very well till it is light and fluffy. Once it has lightened, start adding the caster sugar in 2 batches and let it mix very thoroughly. Once the color has changed into very light creamish color and it has fluffed up, we will add eggs one by one. When you add eggs and beat it, it may seem to separate, the dough may seem to separate, but after that it will come together. Keep mixing it very well till it is fluffy and all possible air has been incorporated into the mix. This egg mix has to be aerated very well. That is the reason, that is what gives the cupcakes its lightness and the rise which we want in all cupcakes. After that, start with a spatula, start adding the dry ingredients in 2 to 3 batches, mixing it very well. Take care not to overmix. Though it is a vanilla cupcake, I am adding choco chips since my children love it. You may avoid this completely to get the classic vanilla taste. After that, this would give around standard, my cups are a little bigger, standard 12 to 16 cupcakes they will give. So just transfer and try to equally distribute the dough into all the 12 or 16 cupcakes. Fill them to half or up to 3/4 only. If you are using choco chips, add some choco chips on top as well. And these have to be baked at 160 degrees C for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep checking in between. And check with a wooden skewer. If it comes out clean, then that means these have cooked. Now these have cooked since cracks have appeared on top. That means they have cooked through very well. These are still warm, but you can see how much they have risen and how fluffy they have turned out. So the beating of the sugar butter mix is very important, and after that beating of egg and the sugar mix is also equally important. So spend some time and patiently do that work. Your cupcakes will turn out yummy and your family would be asking for more and more. So this is how fluffy it has turned out. I'll cut it and show. So once it is over, you will start making the next batch in no time. It will be that high on demand. So please do share your comments. Please try out this recipe and please do share link of Gluten Free India with your friends and family. Thank you.